Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Sephora haul for you guys. I don't do Sephora hauls all that much. Oftentimes I'll go on there and just pick up one or two things, but I decided to place a Sephora order recently and I just haven't unboxed it for y'all yet. So I wanted to share with you guys some of the new fun things I picked up for the season. I will do a little bit of a try on and swatches for you guys in case you're curious about some of these products. But I'm so excited to bust into this. It's been a while since I had a really good classic Sephora haul. So if you want to check out everything that I picked up, definitely keep watching. If you are new here, thanks so much for checking this out. I'm a full-time working mom. In my spare time, I love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, a little bit of luxury, and reselling as well. So if those kind of things sound interesting, definitely check out my other videos, link below, and please also consider hitting that subscribe button. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back for another one. Okay guys, so I placed an online order at Sephora and I received my box. I opened it just for the sake of saving some time for this video, but I did not look inside, honestly. It's totally still packed. So I'm excited to kind of play around with some of this stuff and see what I think about it. I always love a good makeup haul, so it is due time. I'm just going to go ahead and bust into this. I will say, obviously, this video is in no way sponsored by Sephora or anyone. Purchased all these things on my own, so hopefully I can give you a really unbiased opinion of my first impressions of these things. Okay, so it comes obviously packed nicely, and let me go ahead and just start pulling stuff out. So here is what we have. All right, I'm going to place this here and just start pulling things out. So on top here are some samples, and it seems these days I just get random samples, which is okay. I'm not angry about it, but it'd be nice to actually get the ones that you select. Otherwise, honestly, why even make us select them, right? I think it's fine just to get random samples, but I go through the process of trying to select what I want and I don't get them. So this is a sample of the Lawless 24 Hours of Plump. Spoiler alert, I did actually add this to my cart, so you will see a full size of this shortly. And then I have the YSL Libre perfume. So in terms of samples, I tend to go for perfumes because I love these little travel size ones. I just throw it in my purse when I travel. Super convenient, so I really like getting those kinds of samples. All right, so let's see, what should I do first? I think I'm just gonna pick this thing up first. And this is a restock. I've restocked this time and time again. I've talked about this before on this channel, but this is the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. So this is my favorite sunscreen that I use on my face. I use it every single day under makeup. It works as sunscreen, but also as a primer. Now, I do think you need to reapply SPF throughout the day. So in order to do that on top of makeup, what I like to do is buy some of those SPF facial misting sprays, which I kind of miss throughout the day. But this is always my under makeup base of SPF. I love it. It really is unseen. It's a clear sunscreen that just goes in so smoothly. I'm not going to open this one up just because I'm not quite ready to bust into it, but I actually will grab the one I'm currently working on and will show you guys the consistency because this is one of my absolute all-time favorites. I will always keep repurchasing it. It's SPF 40. I do love this more than the glow screen. The glow screen has a little bit of tint, which is really pretty, and I own several of those as well. But I like this version over the glow screen because it's totally clear. It works great as a primer. It doesn't affect the look of your makeup. So highly recommend this, especially in the warmer months. Okay, so I just grabbed from my makeup drawer here the one I'm currently using. This is the one I just purchased as well, the Unseen Sunscreen by Supergoop. It comes like this. This is I think the largest size they make, 2.5 ounces. But as I will show you, if you haven't seen this already, it comes out as a clear gel and it's a perfect under makeup sunscreen slash primer. So here is what it looks like. As you can see, it's totally clear, which is what I love about it. And I think it's better than a glow screen for that reason. It doesn't affect your makeup. It goes in super smooth, as you can see here. And it leaves this real nice, almost satiny type of finish, I think. So it's really perfect as a primer. I love just slathering this all over my face, décolleté. It's perfect, even on the backs of your hands. I think this would go really nicely. So look at that, it goes in perfectly smoothly. So really wonderful product, highly recommend. All right, so next up, I got 3 of these things. These are the Sephora wipes. So I love these wipes, and mostly, actually, my daughter loves them, which is why I picked them up for her. I got some of the soothing cleansing wipes. It looks like this is soothing coconut. I got it in aloe, and I got it in rose. So she throws these in her bag at school. So either at school or after school, you know, during soccer practice, she loves to use these just to wipe her face. She's kind of getting into skincare. I don't really think she knows what skincare is. I think she watches videos and people tell her like, oh, this is great skincare, I'm into skincare. So she's been saying that, and I mean, she's 9, so I don't really think she gets it. But stuff like this, I think, is good skincare. So I'm happy to buy these kind of things for her. It's kind of a fun little wipe, but it keeps her clean and refreshed. So just love these. I think they're the perfect little thing to throw in your bag. All right, so then I got 2 hair products, and I do appreciate how Sephora packages it like this, because if there's a chance something's gonna bust open, it's nice they put it in this little plastic. Okay, so I had to go for 2 of these, and I think this one is new. It's the Color Wow Money Mist. So it's supposed to be a Luxe Light Leave-In Conditioner, and I am excited to try this out. I love leave-in conditioners. I obviously have long hair, which tends to get really dry. My daughters have a lot of hair as well, so I thought this would be a good one to try. So I'm excited to try this one out. It's brand new, I believe, and it already has gotten pretty good reviews. So I'm excited to see if this works for me. So here's what it looks like up close. I'm not really sure how to use this, but I think this thing is a lock. So let me try to unlock it on the top. And then it sprays out where the handle is, I think. So let's see. Yes. So it's a really fine mist, as you can see. So I will try it out. There's a light, fresh scent, but it is not too overpowering. It is a nice mist, so I'm excited to see how this works. It's not a lot of product for a hairspray, I'll say, just because I go through a lot of this, but I'm excited to check this new leave-in conditioner out. And the other one I checked out was this one. This is the Milky Leave-In Conditioner from Sol de Janeiro, one of my favorite all-time scents, especially for these warmer months. Can't get enough of this. So I thought this would be a really nice one to add as well. And I don't know, I'm gonna kind of do a little comparison between the 2 and see which one I like better, because they're similar products, but I'm all about these kind of nice leave-in conditioner type of sprays for your hair. So I'm excited to give this one a try too. It took me a bit to figure out how this mechanism works, but there's this little clasp here, and you have to switch it to one side to open it. So it took me a while to figure that out, but now I think I got it. So when you do that, it unlocks it, and then you can spray it. So I will say the mist doesn't seem as fine as the Color Wow one, but this is a little easier to spray, I will say. And it is that amazing Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream scent. So I have tons of this Boom Boom Cream stocked up. I just love the scent. So I'm super excited for this. I love how this scent is just perfect and really mimics that Boom Boom Cream. So I do love this scent better than Color Wow. I think I love the spray mechanism better on Color Wow. We will see how the performance is though, because that's the true test. So I will give these a go and at some point update you guys on what I think. But I'm excited to try this one out. It smells super nice, really, really nice for warmer months, I say. So really excited about this. Okay, and then I just got some beauty products here, or makeup products. The first is Tower 28 mascara. Everyone talks about this. I do like it. I tried this a while ago and just thought I needed to restock. So of course I have it in jet black, but it's a really, really nice mascara that I think a lot of people really love. So I'm not gonna open this because I have a couple more mascaras to go through, but I will give you guys an update in a future video. But that was definitely something I wanted to pick up. And then I did go for the relatively newly released Makeup by Mario new palette. So I was excited to try this because this is, I believe, a cooler tone neutrals, and that's exactly what I love to wear most on my eyes. So I really wanted to check this out. So I hope that this is intact. We will see. This is the Master Mattes, the neutrals. Here's the beautiful packaging. Okay, so let's see how it looks. Ooh, this is nice. It looks like things are pretty intact. So let me show you guys. This is what it looks like. I'm sure you've seen this palette many, many times before, but look at how pretty that is. I love these colors. I think they're perfect for me. I love the lighter neutrals just all over the eyelid, and oftentimes palettes don't have a lot of those, but this one does. So I'm super excited to play around with this. Just gorgeous. So I'm gonna swatch a couple of these for you. I think I will swatch maybe a classic brown shade, which will be right here. And then I will do that beautiful kind of grayish purple shade. Let's check that out. Okay, well, these are pretty smooth. As you can see here, here's that brownish shade, here's that beautiful grayish purple shade. So I love the quality of these eyeshadows. I know I do because I tried them before, so I'm excited for this new palette. I think it'll be perfect, especially for travel. It's not too big and it has all the shades that I would typically go for. So I'm super, super excited to try these little guys out. And then to round this out, as I always have to do, I always have to pick up some lip products. So I decided to pick up a new lip liner. I've heard good things about this, but I haven't tried it. It's the Huda Beauty Lip Contour Lip Pencil. And let's see, I got it in Honey Beige. So I heard good things about this. I don't tend to use lip pencils. I have some lipstick on now, but again, I didn't use lip pencil. Mostly because I'm just lazy. I try to get out the door as quick as I can in the morning, so I don't tend to use lip liners, but I think I need to, especially as I'm getting older. I think I need to, so I'm gonna try my best to give this a go and see what I think. I have other lip liners, of course, I just don't use them, so I thought getting a new one would motivate me to try to use this a little more often or regularly, because I think it is time, and I think it does really enhance your look a lot and fills things out a bit. So let's see if I can open this up. I'm just gonna rip it because I can't get it out. So I can show you guys. Ooh, so look at the little packaging. It's so pretty. It's a little bit of a translucent look here on the side. Oh, I love the look of this. This is such a pretty little liner. And yes, it is something that you can sharpen automatically. Although this never really gives a super sharp point. I like to still sharpen the edge, but you can raise it up with the automatic bottom here, which is nice. But look at that color. I love that color. So I think this will go really well and pair with a lot of my lipsticks. I will do a little bit of a tester here. Ooh, this is really nice, little nude color there. So I love it. It's super creamy going on, super, super pretty color. I love this color. So I will check it out and try these lip pencils out a little bit more. I'm excited for it. Okay, so I got 2 lip products. I will probably do this one first. So this one is the Refi Tinted Lip Gloss, and this one is in the color Blush. So I always like to pick up new lip products just because, like a lot of you, it's just fun to carry around in your bag and have a new product to try out. So I decided to go for this one. I'm just gonna rip it open as well because it's hard to get these boxes open without a scissors. But this one, it seemed really nice, and I think the applicator is super fun. So let me show you guys what this looks like. Okay, so here it is. It's a little lip product, but I think it's a gloss with a little bit of a tint, but this is why I wanted to try it out. Look at that applicator. This is gonna be so smoothing, so pretty, really excited for it. So let's see how it looks. So you just squeeze a little bit, and it is really like a little blushy color with not much color, which is what I was going for. But this is so cooling. I love these metal application tips because it just feels so nice on. It's pretty unique in that way. I don't think I have a lot of glosses that have this. So here's what the gloss looks like. Look at that, super shiny. I love it. It's so pretty, so pretty. So I love this like slight blushy tint there, but look at that shine. It's gorgeous, love it. So I'm excited to add this to my purse. All right, and then the last lip product I have here, I will actually try on. And this is the Lawless Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Smoothing Gloss. I got it in Rosy Outlook, which is just like clear creamish color, I think, with just a touch of rose, which is what I really like because I often wear masks still at work. We don't have to, but in front of patients, because I take care of cancer patients that are immunocompromised, I tend to still wear masks just to protect them. So I don't want to wear a heavy lipstick to work still these days because it just gets all over my mask. So I love these kind of hint of color lip glosses. This is what I wear to work every single day. Okay, so let me show you guys up close what this looks like, then I will try it on over my lipstick. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Here's the packaging. And I've heard reviews that it doesn't seem like these things are often totally filled. And it is true. You can see that it looks like it's almost like half filled. I don't love that, but I am going to just work with it. That's not great. I mean, it's really not filled. It's true. The reviews are true. So I knew that going into this, so I'm kind of okay with it. So I'm just gonna go with it. I don't return anything, honestly, just because I am lazy to do that. Plus, I don't like returning makeup I've tried already before, but we'll see. I don't know. Not super thrilled about that, but I'm excited to try the formula. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it on over my lipstick now, just to use as a little topper because this is more of a clear type of a gloss. The doe foot is a really nice shape here. Let me show you guys. All right, so I'm gonna do a try on in a minute here, but let me just show you guys what the applicator looks like because it's pretty unique. So look at that shape. Hopefully you guys can see it. See the shape? It's really unique, so you can probably get in to the corners of your lips easier than maybe a traditional doe foot. We'll see. Let me try it out. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it over my lipstick as a topper. As I ruin the doe foot with lipstick, as I always do, let's try this out. Wow. I love the formulation. The hype is real. Look at the shine. I think it looks really pretty and it's not sticky. So I love this. I'm definitely going to be wearing this to work a lot. I'm excited. I'm going to test this out. I'm excited about my Refi gloss as well. So these two lip products I think are going to work for me. There's maybe a little bit of a tingle, I will say, with the Forget the Filler one. Which I actually love. I love how some of these plumping glosses tend to tingle a little bit. It kind of just refreshes me and wakes me up. So I do love that. Not everybody might, but I do. All right. All right, I can't stop looking at it. I think it's so pretty and shiny. I love the finish on it. So yeah, highly recommend that on first impressions. I actually love all of the products I picked up. I'm so excited to play around with them. I will give you guys updates in future videos about products that work for me and ones that don't. So I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.